But I hear me twice in an echo.
No, no, really. Let me do something. Let me. ¿Cómo? Eso quiero ver. Aquí dice que se llamó. Sí, esto se acabó. No sé si. Es que llegaron Good morning.
Hola.
Yes.
Connected to LAPTO S4 PDPTN and Vivo Zypher Nets.
Hello. You're back.
Are you back? Okay, cool. So, I'm back.
Sorry. Technical issues.
No problem. So, is this a webcam or a computer you are trying to position?
You got it.
Is this a computer, I guess?
Yes.
It's a computer, right?
It's a computer.
Okay.
So
Cool. Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you. Let me introduce the SAGGA teams. Can you see Paul? Can you see Paul?
Hello.
Hi, Paul is name?
Paul is his name. He is an expert in ITOM, IT Operations Management. He sells
Ah, cool.
operation management. Evelyn,
My name is Evelyn and
let me introduce Evelyn. She's new in the team, so she's learning. That's why we are here. We want to learn from you, Amir. Mari,
Hello.
she's the tallest in the team.
Hi.
She's with Saga like 3 years, so
Well,
she's selling with us and is a beautiful woman. And Danny, can you see Danny?
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 Okay, with D, yeah?
Yeah. Daniela.
Oh.
She's
Okay,
Daniela.
got it.
She's doing delivery.
Mhm.
You know, she's in the customer. She's doing all the dirty work.
That you promised.
Yeah, the truth. and
Okay.
and can you see the big guy up there?
Yeah.
That's the biggest guy.
The biggest guy?
Yes.
I thought
Why?
Evelyn is the tallest, right? Evelyn was the name, or who's
No, Maria.
tallest?
Maria is the tallest.
Maria, that's the tallest. And he's the biggest guy. What's his name?
Alex.
Art.
Alex.
It's a bad people.
Alex.
Alex.
Cool.
Alex,
Alex, nice to meet you.
is with us 5 years since Saga was founded. So he's a good guy. He's doing a lot of things with us. He's, I think, the guy with the best knowledge and the micro focus. You know, formerly HP software. He's doing the project management in the company, and that's why he's in here.
Okay, cool. Alex, nice to meet you.
Diciendo que mucho gusto, so it's nice to meet you. Well, I'm gonna do some translation because you know we are in Ecuador, we are Spanish, so let's see what's going on.
But Diego, one more thing. So Saga is your company?
It's my company.
So you are the boss, yeah?
I prefer not say the boss. I am just the leader.
No, but you are the leader of the
Okay.
company, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, cool. So I walked through your profile, so I saw that you are a BTO expert and you use BTO, so Business Technology Optimization.
I use that.
It was the legacy Mercury term, yeah, right?
That's correct.
And it is currently, the products are owned now with Microfocus, so I liked it because I'm also from this area, so I've not been with Mercury, but when HP acquired Mercury, I joined HP and then went into the team of Mercury. So therefore, yeah, I really like the interaction with you. Yeah?
Okay, just let me translate them. We need to go in the same,
No
to be in the same page. Just let me.
Lo que dice es que él ha leído mi perfil en LinkedIn, lo que he visto es que vengo de la línea de Mercury hace mucho tiempo atrás, entonces eso le gusta, ¿por qué? Porque él también viene de Mercury. Entonces Amir viene de Mercury, que es la empresa fundadora de lo que es lo que hizo, ¿sí? Todo lo Runner, OpenView y todos los productos que nosotros vendemos vienen de una empresa que es Mercury, que realmente no es ni HP ni Microfocus, pero ahí estamos en Microfocus.
I'm ready.
Okay. So, and what is the plan for today? So, let me switch back to Google so I see the screen again. Okay. So, what's the plan for today?
Okay, the plan is I just wanna share ideas with you. You know, I see you are a storyteller, and I wanna share with the guys what a storyteller is. I wanna share what are your best experience in DevOps, because I see every single day you post in LinkedIn, a lot of posts. I love those posts, and
Thank you.
I wanna make a deal with you at the end.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start. You know the people, these people in here knows DevOps, but we are starting in DevOps.
Okay.
What
So
I
maybe
mean, what I mean,
yeah, please.
starting in DevOps is we starting doing some workshops with our clients, because in Ecuador DevOps is almost zero. In Ecuador, it's almost zero. So the reason for this meeting is we want to be the best in Ecuador doing this thing, and that's why you are here, because I am learning from you, and I know you are one of the best in the world doing these things.
thank you. Thank you, Diego. I appreciate it.
Sure, my pleasure. Okay,
Okay, so what
let us know what a storyteller designer means. I would like to start from that point.
Okay. So, but first of all, before I can start, I need to share my screen. And what I want to share, hopefully, okay, now I cannot see you, but you should be able to see my screen. Can you?
No.
So it says you are sharing your screen.
Yes. Let me do something like. Oh, I see now. We see now. You are presenting.
Okay. So you see my screen, and you know what my problem was. When I've been working for HP software the last 11, 12 years,
Wow.
and I went away for, yeah, let's say 8 months and came back last August. I came back to Micro Focus.
Mhm.
And what I realized is that this company, Micro Focus, is we have the best products in the market,
Okay.
but we don't know how to market it. Yeah?
That's correct. That's
And the
correct.
way we market today is very so. Diego, you tell me when to stop so you can translate. Yeah.
Okay, just let us stop right now and can translate.
Okay.
Okay, en lo que dice que él ha trabajado por 12 a 11 años en Micro Focus y después dejó por 9 meses más o menos y volvió a regresar a Micro Focus porque se trabajó en otro lado y se dio cuenta que en Micro Focus los productos son los mejores en el mercado, pero que nadie sabe cómo venderlos.
Okay.
Okay, so basically my job at Micro Focus is being a pre-sales. You know, I'm responsible for proof of concepts, demos, and a little bit of customer caring, and that's it.
Okay. So, el rol de Amir es hacer pruebas de concepto, tener cuidado de los clientes y hacer todo lo que los chicos...
O sea, that means you're like Daniela. Daniela is doing proof of concepts. Alex is doing proof of concepts.
Perfect.
Okay.
Exactly. I'm from my job perspective. I'm like Daniela. So I do not. I'm not in the business development or marketing or anything. But when I came back at Micro Focus, and I've been working with the products a long time, and I know that these products are the best in the market. So I wanted to present it like we are the best, because the way we present today at Micro Focus is different. But now you translate and then I continue, yeah?
Okay. Dice que la forma, dice que le gusta a Daniela porque está haciendo lo mismo que él hace. Él no hace lo que nosotros hacemos comercialización, pero él nos va a hacer una presentación de cómo se debería ahora presentar esto, ya no en la forma de que siempre hemos dicho. O sea, cambiemos la forma de que es la herramienta, ¿sabes lo que siempre digo? Ahora nos va a enseñar, y eso hay que poner atención, cómo presentar ya el portafolio Micro Focus, que ya lo repite, es lo mejor es Baby Child, es la niña de los ojos. ¿Sí? Entonces, póngale atención a eso.
I'm ready, we're ready.
Okay, so what I wanted to change is, and here, when I returned, I got trouble with our marketing team because I was a bit different. So I was doing something different than they were used to. So let me show you quickly how Micro Focus marketing looks like, the official marketing. So let me click here. This is Micro Focus, and if we go here down, you can see this is Micro Focus marketing. Yeah? So if you look here, this is the marketing of Micro Focus. And if I click here just for the sake of reading the article, I see this picture and this is the article I have, And as a user or as somebody who's reading it, I get lost because there is no engagement between the article and me.
Lo que nos está presentando es el LinkedIn, está presentando la página de Micro Focus y es justamente lo que deberíamos nosotros aprender a presentar. ¿Cómo se debe presentar? Y esto de una forma marketingera. ¿Sí? Entonces, eso va a quedar grabado y bueno.
Okay, Amir.
Okay, so, but these articles, they have very valuable information, but we cannot bring the users to read it. So what I do is, I read all this information here, and I think about how can I bring this into picture. So picture is, for instance, let me now switch to my profile. So this is my profile.
Let's go
here.
Eso dice lo lleva a una imagen. Porque una imagen vale más que mil palabras. O sea, exactamente. Si ustedes han visto es el perfil de él, y lo que él es, ¿no es cierto? Las infografías que él hace, o sea, no es que la hacen.
Okay.
Okay, so what I do is, for instance, today I posted a picture about orchestrated release management, and this is taken out by an article of Micro Focus. Let me maybe look for the article. It is for Micro Focus here. Let me look for the product. It should be release product. Release, no? Release next. This one over here, let me go.
Es que como
And
yo
the
sé
problem
que
is-
ve lo que nosotros usualmente estamos haciendo.
So this is here.
Amir, one question from Paul.
Yes.
Where are you from, Amir?
Is this you or is this me?
No, it's
Where are you from?
Yes, for you.
Okay, sorry. Can you hear me?
yes.
Yes.
But I was not able to hear you, but you can still see me and hear me?
Yes, Paul is asking you, where are you from?
So I'm from Switzerland.
From Switzerland. Okay, okay.
Okay, because you know, in the meanwhile, a video was playing and I was not hearing anything.
Mm-hmm.
However, what I do is then I go to these articles. So here you can see this will open a data sheet
Mm-hmm.
for this product.
That's great.
And I read across this data sheet
Mm-hmm.
and then I create something like, where is it? Something like this.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
So I take the full article and then when I write the post,
Mhm.
what I do is I refer to the complete flyer. So here's a link to this flyer.
Yes.
So customer can, or the user can read this short text.
Mm-hmm.
This is something which they are interested in, so they can open it and maybe they read through it what release management is.
Okay.
And then they see the Micro Focus logo, and I make sure that Micro Focus is red. We are heard by the market, and not just like this. We post something and nobody reads it. Yeah.
Okay, just let me ask you something. The art, the infographic, those people, those graphics. Are you the artist or something or someone else?
I am not the artist, and this is what I also want to show you how I do it. It's very simple.
Okay.
You don't need to be rocket science or any kind of artist. It's simple. Yeah.
Okay.
You just need to invest, and this is what I'm doing. You just need to invest $90 a year, so you get a subscription to the portal. I will show you. So this is. So what I do, I download everything from freepik.com, and this is very important you understand this. Yeah. So freepik.com is a library of a lot of infographics. I don't know why it's not working. And here you can download all the infographics and use it for your things. Yeah? So I can write here just team infographic and search for it, and it comes up. You know this post, I've used it recently, and also this post, or this one, I'm using these. So what I do is, I first of all got the premium account. Let me sign in quickly with my Google profile. So. And then I have a premium account. This costs just $90, and then I'm able to use all the pictures, all the infographics without referring the outro. So you can see it's not even $90, it's $89.99, and this is for a year. This is very cheap. And once I have this, I can easily. I can go here and now look for, let's say, developer infographic. So then something comes up, like let's say this one. I download this file, and let me show you now my infographic, how I created. Yeah?
Okay.
Can you see the screen?
Of course, yes. It's a PPTX, a PowerPoint document, right?
This is a PowerPoint document. Yeah?
Okay.
So you can see it, right?
Yes, we can see that.
Okay, so what I do as a next step is I just need to connect with the real mouse. 1 second. Because here I have, this mouse pad is not really comfortable. So what I do then is, let me go down here. And you tell me, Diego, when to stop so you can translate, yeah?
Okay, just let me translate right now.
So where is the infographic?
You're connecting your mouse.
Here. So this is the infographic. I say download. You see the file is downloaded.
Uh-huh.
And then I open this and I put it into my PowerPoint. Here.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see it?
Yes.
And so far you can see I'm here on 10% because I want to have high resolution pictures.
Okay.
So the next step what I do is I put it here and enlarge it.
Okay, okay. That's great. That's a good tip.
Can you see it?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay. And the next step is now there is a bit of information. I don't need any these information, so I can say I want to remove this because I have the license. Yeah, so I do this and say here I'm designing everything in PowerPoint, Diego. This is simple as nothing, you know.
Okay.
It's very easy.
That's great.
And then you can say I want to use this. And here you do the same. So with the pipette, you say I want to use the same color for the border and for the content. Then you copy. Then I can imagine that you can use this method as well for your services, you know, for SAGGA services or something.
That's
So
correct.
now I have changed it.
Mm-hmm.
And here's one more thing which I need to change, which is on the top. Like this.
Mm-hmm.
And now I can use whatever I want. So let me go here to this graphic and I can say I want this logo and this logo which I've prepared already. So I put it here.
Mm-hmm.
And here as well.
Mm-hmm. That's art.
And I recolor it from here. So this looks okay. I don't think this looks okay, but now this should be okay. And I know that Microfocus has a specific portfolio, so what I can say is here is the Microfocus solution, just a sample infographic for you. And I say this is Calibri, and I make it big, bigger than, so this is too big. So let me put it in black, make it like this and put it here and enlarge it. So Microfocus solution a bit smaller maybe. Yeah, this is good. And I'm doing that. This is okay. And then I continue here. So the next step would be we have 4 solutions. So I say I go to the Microfocus homepage, which is here, microfocus.com.
Mm-hmm.
And I want to make an infographic on microfocus.com. So here I can see we have 4 pillars.
Mm-hmm.
Why not taking these? Huh?
Yes.
So I say this is one, enterprise DevOps, and it says build and deliver better software faster. Yeah? So I can go back here. This one I need to close. So here, let's say this one is here. So this is enterprise DevOps. Build and deliver better software faster.
Mm-hmm.
And now I can bring this down again, like this, and this can be even more smaller, like this, and this is the cursive around. Then you put it this way, and I have it more or less finished. So this is the first step. And here I can say I want this to be the color of this. So this is done. And now it's easy. I just copy, paste.
Mm-hmm.
Here. Here. So I have 4 times the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
And now it's up to me to read the right message from the Microfocus side. It's hybrid IT management, operate with agility. So this would be hybrid IT management. This is operate with agility. This is then, I guess, security. So security, risk, and governance, hopefully. Let me check. Security, risk, and governance. Secure what matters most. So here I can say this is secure what matters most. And then I start changing the colors as well for the headings. So I can just say this is here. This is from here. And the last one is predictive analytics. Predictive analytics. And this is analyze in time to act. Yeah, so also very easy. Let me first change the color. The color is this. Analyze with time to act. So this is the micro focus. I don't need, I think, obtain because this is going across everything. So you can say this is micro focus. I put the logo here around this. Sorry. So this is still not the right thing. I think I will leave it here because it looks much better here at the end.
Yes.
Yeah, and then I can say, okay, this is the first graphic. So the graphic is good. I can mark everything, and then I say, I save it as a picture. Yeah, because I will show you why I do this. So this is the demo for the Saga picture. And then I go here and say I want to import it. And now you will see why this is, why I save it. It's 17.5 megabyte. This is huge. So LinkedIn cannot handle it.
Yes.
Yeah, it's too large.
Yes.
So I need to import it again. And I say, okay, the resolution is good. It will remain good even if I save it like this. Yeah.
Yes.
So, and you can see if I go in PowerPoint modus on 100%, you can see this is 100%.
That's correct.
Yeah. So, and I can see still everything is good. Okay, this is not good. Something happened here. Okay.
Yes.
So let me go again here. I don't know why it was converted. Anyway. So, but here you can see everything is clear. Yeah? This is 90, this is 100%. You can see everything. This is good.
Yeah, that's correct. That's
And I go back to 10%. And now I can say save graphic. Demo Saga, and this is always I save it as small. And now we can compare these two. You will see. It's not here. It should be under pictures.
Yes, there is.
Yeah, 2 megabytes versus 17 megabytes.
Wow.
Yeah, so this is, I have always double work, but this is the graphic how I created. Yeah, so I am telling a story about micro focus.
Okay.
That these are our pillars. So customers or anyone who sees it, they say, okay, enterprise DevOps. We have IT hybrid management. It is represented in a nice way. Yeah? So if somebody looks at it, they don't look away directly. They read it and then say, okay, micro focus is this. And then I put also a link on the post so they can click if they want more information. They will be redirected to the right page. And this is how I do everything. So if I want to talk about something on enterprise DevOps, so I read an article, any white papers which are interesting for me, so and then I create something. You know,
Excellent.
this is how I do it.
That's what a storyteller is, right?
Once again.
That's what a storyteller is.
This is exactly what a storytelling is. Just taking a huge article and putting it into something which is easy to understand. Yeah, and I use the method. You know, some people they write articles which are easier to understand, but I have realized for me that if I can put something into picture, people even more easier understand because they don't have to read through it. They can just see it and consume it. because we live in a very digital world. You are connected with your mobile phone, so you are everywhere connected, and people want to access information very fast and very quickly. And this is, this way of doing marketing with storytelling, using graphics, this makes it easier for the consumer to read and understand what you are as a company, what you sell as solutions, and what identifies you as a person when it comes to any engagement with customers or anything like this.
Okay, just let me translate, let me resume what you said.
Yeah.
Él lo que está diciendo es que es un storyteller, que es un rol que es prácticamente el conocimiento que ella tiene, ¿no es cierto? Leer lo que hizo y transformarlo en un infográfico. Esa infografía es justamente lo que hoy por hoy se estila. O sea, ya leer ese montón de cosas, nadie, ni nosotros que no somos millennials, pero algunos millennials que hacen. No, pero venga, algo que llama la atención. Y eso es lo que está haciendo. Y se entiende muy fácilmente. Pero ustedes vieron el cambio del uno de lo que él sacó a donde él puso. Es una cosa espectacular. Y ahí es donde debemos llegar. ¿De acuerdo?
Okay, so that means, are you listening?
Yeah, I'm listening. Yeah.
Okay, what you say in resume is a picture, right, is better than words.
Exactly, one picture tells more than 1,000 words. Yeah? So this is important, and what you can do is, if you want to go in this direction, I am, as you are a Micro Focus partner, and I hope if I enable you in this direction, you will support Micro Focus online, and also, publish any infographics also for Micro Focus, but for your company SAGGA as well, so because you are doing consulting, and I totally understand. So I can enable you guys. Maybe we do a bi-weekly meeting where I show you next time in detail, and we create the first graphic for SAGGA.
That would be great. That would be great.
¿Sí entendieron? Que en la próxima reunión es lo que podría hacer es enseñarnos ya cómo hacer y haríamos el primer infográfico para hacer.
Thank you. Okay, well, that's all about storytelling. What else we can?
Exactly.
What else we can tell us about your story in Micro Focus, your DevOps experience, now DevSecOps, and what we are doing after the storyteller is done.
So I think we need to, what you need to do is, because Micro Focus has a huge portfolio, and what I have learned over the years is, I've been working out 11, 12 years with Micro Focus, and I started with test automation only. Test automation with QTP Windrunner.
Mm-hmm.
I think, Diego, you remember these products?
Yes.
And I created frameworks with Quality Center, BPT, and so on. So what I saw is that during the years, it was around 2011 till 2013, market has changed. Yeah? There was a huge shift left, and HPE software was sleeping at that time. They didn't realize that, and Jira came, and we lost a lot of market. Yeah?
Amir, let me
now,
translate.
with HPE software and Micro Focus being one company, which is Micro Focus, we have invented ALM Octane. So what I would really do with you guys is, if you agree with me, I want to, in the next 2-3 months, I would like to enable you on ALM Octane, because this will be the future when it comes to project management, DevOps tool chain, bringing all the stuff together. This will be ALM Octane. So I can send you a lot of information if you are interested. I can show you how I present ALM Octane. There are typical Micro Focus presentation, and this is, for instance, this one is my Octane presentation. So when I do a short presentation, these are my agenda, and this agenda is like a task board. So this is a Scrum board or whatever you want to do. The difference is, because my presentation will take exactly 90 minutes, and you can see here I have 30 minutes, 45 and 15, so 90 minutes. I've prepared this presentation in a more task board view.
Okay.
Translate if you want.
Ok, lo que dice que él está trabajando por mucho tiempo, ya les dijo de 11 años y ahora retomó, y que anteriormente él trabajaba con QTP y BPT, y que él hizo muchos frameworks alrededor de eso. ¿Qué quiere decir hacer un framework? Es tomó las herramientas, lo que les estaba diciendo, es, y ponerle que sea como un carrito, como un trencito, ¿verdad? O sea, yo pongo esto y al final salgo y todo está ok. Eso quiere decir formar un framework, no quiere decir que las herramientas per se solas hagan eso. Entonces, lo que dice es que él, después de toda esa experiencia que él ha tenido, al final él ha visto que él no tiene el futuro. O sea, eso es lo que yo ya les había dicho. O sea, olvidémonos del ALM.net y vamos a Octane. Y lo que él dice que en los siguientes 3 meses él quiere hacernos los mejores en Octane, que va a compartir mucha información si nosotros aceptamos, ¿sí? Y lo que él hace es ahí, la presentación de Octane le hace en este formato como un canvas. ¿Sí? Esto es un canvas, esto es lo que él está presentando y si se dice 30 minutos, 45 minutos y 15 minutos en total, en 1 hora ya está listo todo y él nos va a presentar.
Okay, Amir, thank you. Thank you. The team appreciate what you want to do with us. I tell them we want to be the best in Ecuador, the best in America, and that's why we are here.
Exactly. So, and you know this, we were talking about storytelling, yeah? And this way of building an agenda is also storytelling. And storytelling is not only online, yeah, when you write blogs or articles or anything. Storytelling is also consulting in a different way, in a different manner. When you are presenting something to your customers, you have to keep in mind that customers maybe do not know anything what you know, and when you know something, you assume that somebody else knows it as well. And most of the times we forget that we only know it and others don't know. So that's why when I do something, any kind of presentation, I try to make it as easy as possible so even a child can understand. And this is the way I present. You know, it's always storytelling. Each slide is a storytelling slide. It has no alignment with Micro Focus branding. The only logo it has is here, Micro Focus, and the rest is pure storytelling stuff.
Excelente. Ok, lo que él dice es que no solo el storytelling, lo que acabó de presentarnos antes, lo que él hizo, sirve para hacerlo en LinkedIn, en nuestra web o lo que sea, sino que también lo podemos hacer en las presentaciones que nosotros tenemos, y eso es lo que hablábamos con alguien, ¿recuerda? Debemos buscar y a cambiar y hacer nuestra propia, sí, pero lo que dice que nunca debemos olvidar de que nosotros sabemos, la persona que está al otro lado no sabe, ¿sí? Y esto nos ayuda a ser tan concisa, tan pequeña que la otra persona le quede grabado por colores, por dibujos en la mente, porque si ponemos texto, eso es como cualquier otro. Lo que dice, siempre debemos hacer de esta manera, y es por eso que ustedes vieron el Canvas primero donde decía, desde ahí le impacta, no es agenda y 3 líneas, porque es, ahí puso un Canvas chévere, ¿no es cierto? Y haciendo también un storytelling.
Thanks, Amir.
Okay, so as you can see these slides, you know, this slide, for example, tells also a story. It does say, okay, ALM Octane is a perfect fit for agile teams, but when you look closely, you see, okay, what is the agile team? Is a product owner, developer, tester, build manager, QA manager, and IT operations. So this is from beginning until the end. It is the roles of DevOps. So it tells a story that ALM is not only a perfect fit for agile teams, but here you can read what a product owner can do, what a developer can do, what a tester, what a build manager, QA manager, and IT operations can do with ALM Octane, and why it is perfect for DevOps and agile teams. So this is just a different way of telling something is supporting DevOps, and in my case it's ALM Octane which is supporting DevOps.
Okay, that's great. So, lo que vieron ahí es obviamente los roles que utiliza Octane soportando DevOps. Entonces, ya todos debemos pensar en DevOps, y eso está escrito en una historia. De una manera muy fácil, ¿no es cierto? Esos son los roles que están soportando DevOps. ¿Verdad?
Okay.
Okay. So, and when I present, these are the slides. Yeah. So I keep it interactive, And once I'm done with a task, I put it on completed so customers know, okay, now 30 minutes are over. I will see now a demo of ALM Octane, and this will take 45 minutes. So when I do the demo, I'm done. So this was the demo, and then we come to question and answers and next steps, and then I'm completed. I say, okay, this was it. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay.
And what I
Great,
would
great.
think is, yeah, please.
That's great, that's great. Just let me translate. Si ustedes vieron, las imágenes valen más que mil palabras. El Canva simplemente le puso una diapositiva y ya está, y te quedan 15 minutos, ya está, y te quedan. Y ahí hizo la demo y se acabó. Y con eso la gente tiene interés. Si no es como, ¿y cuándo va a salir? ¿Y hasta qué horas va a salir? Y nos dormimos, con esto mantienes la atención.
Okay, great job, Amir. That's a great thing.
Thank you. You know, I'm always happy because you know it is knowledge sharing is very important, and if I share something with you, I'm pretty sure you will share something with me. And this is always the same. You know, it's always good when we can share information. And what I really would like to suggest to you, Diego, is being the leader of this company, make sure that you know ALM Octane, and you know how it works. And I'm not a sales, I'm a pre-sales. So I am not interested in getting money or anything like this.
Mm-hmm.
I want to share my knowledge, and because I believe in this product ALM Octane, I want to enable all the partners who want to get enabled in my free time, so we can have bi-weekly meetings, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, and then we can walk through Octane, and I can enable you for different things. If you have any question, we can give you access to trials, you know, just for the sake of you are up to date, what the market demand is, and also, you know, on the other hand, I believe in this product, and this is really something which is cooler than Jira, Atlassian, and I think it is very valuable for the customers if they understand. But if before the customers can understand, our partners need to understand what Octane is.
That's correct, porque él dice que él va a estar siempre, willing significa siempre va a estar presto a enseñarnos Octane. Él dice que él va a tomar sus tardes, sus tiempos libres para enseñarnos mientras nosotros tengamos la disposición. Porque lo que él cree es que si él nos enseña, si él comparte su conocimiento, nosotros vamos a hacer lo mismo acá con nuestros clientes. Pero lo que él interesa es que nosotros creamos y entendamos el producto para que podamos venderlo de una manera buena. Él no viene de la parte comercial, dice, a él no me importa el dinero. Yo soy una persona que estoy en preventa y a mí me importa que primero nosotros, el equipo, los partners, entendamos para que nosotros podamos hacer. En caso contrario, esto no funciona. ¿De acuerdo?
Sí. Okay.
Okay, give me the. Do you have a website of your company?
SAGGAAC.com.
AE.com, like this?
One C before the point. Okay, AA.
Like this?
No. AZ.com.
Like this?
Uh-huh.
Let me see.
That's our website.
Cool. Doesn't to be renewed. It's micro focus, but I like it.
Yeah, that's correct.
Cool. What does it say? It is okay. STM, I understand here what you are doing. Then you have sorting. Okay, let me go here. What do you have? You have in-house certification, e-learning, webinars, and events. Okay. Nice. I like it.
You like it?
Honestly, this is cool. This is cool.
That's great. Thank you.
But I cannot click here somewhere, right? Ali, I can. Here.
You can do that. It's something like storytelling, something like that.
No, it is really, it is nice because it's interacting. I don't say, okay, it is, I want to go away.
Yeah, it's,
but now something happened.
Now
I want to.
The links are to the HP website, so we have to update those links.
Okay. You know, this is really cool. I like the way you present it. And as someone, I don't know you, I don't know even the language, yeah. But according to the pictures, I want to stay on this page. And this is really cool. I like it. You have done very well here.
Okay, great, thank you. We appreciate.
And what you can do is maybe, you know, once you come into the storytelling, you can bring some more information in the pictures. Yeah? So, for instance, here we can see you have quality center, but maybe if you can say this is a requirement, this is a test, this is a defect, this is a test run, whatsoever, and bring some content into this. I can see, okay, load runner, it is a clock, so it means something with time and latency.
Yeah.
But you can bring here some additional information, so this will make it even better, which is already good. You know, I really like this page. I didn't expect it, therefore, very well done. Nice.
Okay. Thank you.
And also here, like, you know, this world globe and the hand below. So I like the way you present yourself to the market.
Okay.
It's very cool.
Okay. Great. Thank you so much. So we will update that web page because we are out of date, so we have to do that. Great. Okay. So how many time do we have, Amir, with you, or we are finishing this meeting?
So I think maybe if we can finish in 10 minutes, so if we can align what we want to do together, you know, because I know that you have to be on projects, because who was the project? It was Alex and Daniela. They had to go on site to customers to be utilized, and therefore, what is the best day if you want, first of all, if you want to do this, if you want to learn how to create these graphics, yeah, I can do it together with you.
That's great.
Or you can say, okay, you try now, you get to free pick, get your subscription, so one user is enough. If one user has the subscription, you can directly start doing something. And once you have done it, I can review it, and if it's good or whatever, I can give my feedback. You know, there's no good or bad. This is also something. So you can, if you want, you can send, and I can give my feedback on it, and then you can do it. And later on, we can do any kind of Octane, if you need any help on Octane or Quality Center or whatever, yeah?
That's
so
right.
we can enable you, yeah? Are you official partner?
Official partner in...
So who's your counterpart, so who's your contact?
Santiago Meneses, you know him?
Once again, I cannot hear you.
Santiago Meneses. He's our contact in here. Can you?
Let me check. Santiago
Meneses. M-E-N-E.
I know Santosh Goplan, but this is not Santiago. Santiago Lopez, no? Gutierrez?
Meneses.
Santiago Meneses, yeah, I have him. Yeah, okay. He's your counterpart. Let me check where he is assigned to. He's also under Christoph Stoiker. I got it now, okay. I know Christoph.
Okay, so
got it.
even Ricardo Van Santen, you know him?
Ricardo Van Santen, let me check. I don't know him, but I know this Santiago Meneses is under Christoph Stoiker, and Christoph Stoiker is a German guy, and he speaks German, and I met him in Universe yesterday.
Yes.
And what was the name of this guy? The second one?
Ricardo
what?
Van Santen.
Once again?
Van V-A-N Z.
Ricardo with double C or one C?
Just one C. Ricardo
And Rames or?
No. Van Van Zanten.
I cannot hear it.
V as a Victor, A as an Anna,
Okay.
N as a Norma, Z as a zero,
Like this?
Van Zanten.
No, bastante con ese. Con Z. Z. No, sí.
Ah, bueno, sí, pero ¿cómo se pronuncia la Z? No sé.
Z.
Vincent.
Vincent.
Or is it C?
Ah, no,
Yeah.
sí, yo.
Or maybe a double C?
No, it's just Z.
Okay,
It's
let
a
me look for Ricardo and look for
Maybe it's out.
this one or who is it?
Maybe Ricardo is out because we were telling us that Ricardo is getting out from microfocus. Maybe, I don't know.
Okay, so how are you managed? Through Brazil or?
No, MCA. Mexico and Central
And?
America. Mexico and Central
Okay.
America.
Mexico, okay. So let me check one more thing, maybe this is also interesting, because I will be in Brazil soon, in May.
Mm-hmm.
Let me check on the map where you guys are. So Ecuador is, oh, it's here on the other side.
Yeah, on the other side, Pacific.
I will be here in where's that, Sao Paulo, somewhere here. Yeah, I will be here, and you are here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this is good.
We are smallest
I come from here, yeah. So
country
this is,
in the world.
where is it? Switzerland here. This is it from Zurich. I'm sitting here currently. Here.
Well, we cannot see you while you're watching, but that's okay. We can imagine where you are.
Exactly. This is cool. I like your humor.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay. No sé si tenemos preguntas.
Lo de la certificación.
Okay, one more question from Mary. Mary says, what kind of certification we can search or we can present for DevOps? What would you recommend us to take us, or what is the path for DevOps in roles, in roles, what I mean?
Yeah, I understand. We have in roles. What I would suggest you is what you need to have is this one. Get as soon as possible this scaled agile framework for lean enterprises. So there is a training, and you can do different certifications.
Uh-huh.
I have the normal one, yeah. So I have where is it? For teams, for Scrum Master, for advanced release train engineer. Yeah, save for DevOps you can do. And there is one more thing. I think where is it?
What did you say?
Here you can see the courses. Yeah. So I have this one, implementing safe.
Hey, Amir,
And-
we cannot see your screen. You're stopping sharing your screen. We are watching you.
You are not.
No.
Why is this? Okay, I thought you are seeing me all the time. What to do now? Okay, let me.
Okay.
Do you know this?
Yes. Now we are
Scaled
watching.
Agile framework. So this is one thing I would recommend you to do. So you have here a different courses.
Mhm.
There's also Safe DevOps. But before you go into SDP, I would recommend that you do this course, SPC, which is the normal Safe,
Mhm.
and also leading Safe as a SA.
Mhm.
And then you can choose for anything here. And
Okay.
if you are interested into DevOps or Scrum Master, Product Owner, I would really, get certified for SAFE. This is the most important thing you can do for the coming year.
Okay. What that means safe? What safe means? Can you hear me?
I cannot hear you.
Okay, what
Once again?
what
Now better.
safe means?
SAFE is a scaled agile framework. So let's say you have here,
Okay.
normally when we develop application, we develop these on in different sprints,
Mhm.
and we in different iterations, and these iterations are on team level, yeah,
Okay.
which is good. For a small organization, this is perfect, but for organization like the Swiss banks, Credit Suisse, UBS, or any kind of insurance, Mobiliar, you can take what insurance, German bank, American bank, they need to scale, yeah, because these small teams, they are contributing to a specific program, and this program is initiated by different budget and cost. So what you need to make sure for a large organization, which is an enterprise, that you have a better overview, so you can document, you have a process behind it, so you can really scale agile to the complete enterprise and not only on team level. Because if you are on team level, everything is fine, but this team is only generating value for it, but not for the whole enterprise. And if you want to scale it, this is the perfect framework to scale Scrum to the complete enterprise or Kanban to the complete enterprise. It's up to you which method you use. I see a lot of customers who adopt SAFe, so they don't use as it comes like this, so they change a lot of things. They convert here, maybe they use this as a Kanban, but solution train does not exist. They have only release train, so they change it and adapt it to their processes in order to scale agile to their whole organization.
Okay, just let me translate. Okay, ya ustedes vieron, hay diferentes formas, así como el Utility Foundation, we are not watching your.
Sorry, my fault.
Okay, thank you so much. Entonces, lo que dice es, siempre debemos pensar en escalamiento, escalabilidad, ¿no es cierto? Entonces, lo que dice es, hay compañías que empiezan desde acá y terminan, es un largo camino. Entonces, dice, podemos empezar con todo el tema de escalabilidad en la parte inferior, podemos hacer esto, luego podemos subir al Solution Tray o usar Canvas. Sin embargo, sí he escuchado que mucha gente sí está usando Canvas, ¿sí? Pero mucha gente no utiliza el Solution Tray. Entonces, es como hacerlo. Entonces, lo que nos dijo anteriormente es, tenemos esas tres certificaciones para saber qué significa todo esto, ¿sí? Eso no quiere decir que cuando uno ve esto, dice, wow, ya se me acabó el storytelling, certificaciones para todo eso me muero. Entonces, es importante que aprendamos a tomar las partes más y aquí hay algo, a mí me encanta esta parte, y esto es de ellos, obviamente con esto, pero eso no conozco. Okay, I just translate. So one more question, Amir, what certification do you have right now? A lot, I mean.
So I have, you mean for SAFe or in general?
For SAFe.
For SAFe, I have this one, SPC.
SPC? Okay.
And I cannot find it here. I don't see it here. So it's implementing SAFe and SAFe for Agile it is called, but I cannot see it here. SAFe for government, SAFe Agile. So I have two of them, yeah. So
okay.
I don't know why it's not listed here.
Okay.
But this is something what I would recommend you to.
That would be great. Great. So.
Oh, sorry, they have changed it. It is this certified Agilist. So leading SAFe I have, and I have this one, the program consultant.
Okay, great. Now that's SAFe certifications. What about microfocus certification?
Microfocus certification. I have for all the products as a certification.
I suppose that. What
Let
about?
me show you the product portfolio. So the products are these. These are my products. Okay, I'm not certified on the Silk products.
Okay.
So the Silk Performer and Silk Test, I'm not certified, and I'm not certified on PPM, but I'm certified here on ALM, on Octane. This does not exist anymore. BPT, Lean FT, Load Runner, Mobile Center. This I'm not. performance center, PPM, I'm not service virtualization. We don't have certificate for for Sprinter. Storm Runner function, I'm not, but Storm Runner load, and these are just add-ons, you know, and UFT I'm certified.
Okay, my question is, what would suggest to start the certification? Because you see, Alex has is a ASE ALM.
AIS, you mean?
Yes,
it's the smallest. So I would suggest you, if you are into, let's say, automation, maybe you can start with Lean FT. Where is it? Here?
Yeah, Lean
So Lean FT or UFT. And if you are into test management, go for Octane directly.
Directly.
And what we offer is, let me look for it, it is micro focus. We offer something nice, you know, beside all this, what we saw on SAFE, we should have here as well. Where is it? I think here. Professional services, DevOps. Realizer, DevOps. Let me see. Oh, it is not here. Actually, Micro Focus also offers DevOps training. Maybe it's here. Certifications. I guess it should be here. Certifications. Okay, and you can browse now for a product, let's say ALM. Here you can see. So there are different certifications. You can search here on this View Central portal of us, and then you can see, okay, how much is the price for the course, and then you can, after you have done the course, you can make the exam and get a pass or fail. So you can see here all the different pages and look for the different certifications you want to have.
Okay, what about the material? Do you have any kind of material for studying the certifications, microfocus, or just the material is on the central part?
We have everything is in the internet. What you will find is for the ADM portfolio. So if you write here admhelp.microfocus.com. You will be here on this page, and then you have for each product, it's the same. So let's go for ALM Octane. You go content and PDF, and then you have here a huge user help with the basics, manual testing flows, project management, agile development flow, and CI integration flow. So you have everything documented in detail. And this will help you also to understand and do some tutorials on the product itself. Yeah? So this is exactly listed here. Or if you go for ALM, you have even more stuff. So you can see here ALM user guide, and then you have all the basics around here, ALM introduction. You start with the ALM projects, and then it explains you, okay, how to create a project. So very small pieces. Before you create a project, creating a project, there are snapshots so you can understand how the product looks like. And then if you are looking into the user guides, I would suggest get a trial. And the trial takes around 60 days. And these tutorials you can work in easily in 2 days, you are done. I think if you are dedicated, you are done in 1 day already. So you only need 1 day. So I would have always in parallel, I would make sure that I have a trial access on our SaaS platform. So then you can use it easily.
That would be great.
Entonces lo que dices, escucharon todos en la web las certificaciones que hemos recomiendo es tomar Lean FT y utilizar los productos, puede ser UFT o ALM, y en definitiva dijo mejor tomen directamente la certificación ALM, ¿cierto? Otra de las cosas que dices para estudiar y lo que le preguntaba es si tiene algún material específico, algo que le digo, entonces él dice esto. Y lo que recomienda es que utilicemos esta documentación, nos bajemos del trial y hagamos todo lo que dice ahí en el trial. De tal suerte que dice, si te dedicas 2 días está bien, si te dedicas muy bien, en un día sacas todo eso. Así. Entonces, esta es la tarea.
Okay.
Okay, so this is where you can find the user certification. Now, what is the plan? So let's discuss maybe the next steps.
Okay.
This would be best. So, what is the best for you? Are you interested in this infographic enablement, or what would you like to do?
Okay, let me tell you the deal. Remember I told you at the beginning, I want to do a deal with you and with those guys in here.
Right.
First, I have to ask to you and then I tell them, okay? My deal is, meanwhile, we are learning how to do it. What happens if we can use your infographics for sharing with the tag an infographic a day keeps away the
Competition away.
the competition away.
Great.
Yeah?
Great.
Okay, so
No big deal.
what we wanna do, learning from you, is if you can share us your documentation or your infographic, what we do a day, and we can translate in Spanish. So we can do, you do in English, and we can translate in Spanish with the same infographic, and maybe we can use until we start doing by ourselves. We can use your storytelling things.
No problem, I can share it. But what you have to do then is, maybe if you can, first of all, you need to get this $90. Need to have a, how do you say it? You need to have a license for free pick.
Okay.
Yeah, there you can say, okay,
Yeah.
one user, just one, Diego, it could be you. So once you have it, you write me an email and I will send you this presentation.
That would be
And this is a huge presentation. You can see here, it starts here and it goes. You have always, you have all
we are
something written
watching.
here.
We are
you cannot
watching
change
you.
it.
We are
You see,
watching.
there is something where you can change it, yeah?
Hey, Amir.
One slide is always changeable and the other not, yeah? And once you change something, let's say this is in Espanol, like this.
Amir.
Yeah.
Hello. Knocking your
Yeah.
door. We are watching your face.
Oh, sorry, this was the same thing again.
No,
Damn.
it's okay. It's okay.
Let me quickly do it again. Okay, so what I can do is, Diego, you will get this, where is it? This
Okay,
one. Yeah, so
okay.
you will make sure that you have one license.
Okay, we were buying that license
So-
today.
So once you have a license, you write me an email,
Okay.
and what I will do is I will share this presentation with you. Yeah, so this is a huge presentation, you can see. It has around 700, but you will see how I work. Yeah? So if you
790.
go down,
Yes.
you go down here, you see. I'm currently here. These are infographics I have not released yet. Yeah. This is the thing we created today, and then there are empty stuff because I want to. When I create a new slide, you see, it is like this, and I don't want this stuff to be in. On this. Yeah, I don't want to be, so I don't have to delete. Once I delete it, I say, okay, I copy it and copy, paste.
Yes.
So I have a lot, so I download, put it here in, and zoom it out completely and do my thing. So I can share this stuff with you. You can translate then. So you can see here, this was in English. Let me show it again. Once again, let's go back. Okay. Oops, sorry. I have to go up again. So it should be here. So it was something. What was it? So hot topic analytics. So it was hot topics here. Yeah, so you say you will translate this in Espanol. So I'm not sure. You will do it. What is hot topic in Espanol? So you have something. You write something here. Yeah?
Okay.
Espanol.
Espanol.
Sorry if this is wrong.
No,
And
it's
you
okay.
translate all the text. And once you've done it, you need to select everything
Mhm.
and save it as a picture. Yeah.
Okay. Estamos viendo.
And then you can import it again here. This is important, yeah, for you.
That's great.
So I will send this to you. I cannot send it via email because this is more than 500 megabyte. However, I will put it on Dropbox, and you can start then. Yeah. What you need to make sure once you have the license for freepik.com, when I share this deck with you, this slide set, currently you can see here there's a service management automation. However, I would appreciate if you can really use it one-to-one as these are. Yeah? Just translate it into your stuff and use it as it is, if possible.
Okay, no, I will do that. We will do that. So the next thing, what I want to tell you, or what I want to ask you is, you know, everybody in this room has LinkedIn profile. Would you suggest every infographic will be done by each of us or company LinkedIn? What would suggest?
I would suggest that two people are doing it, you know, because I'm doing it for the whole Micro Focus. Yeah? So if one can do it or two, this is enough.
Okay.
But let's say Alex and Daniela, they are on customer side.
Okay.
Yeah. So they have experience. They see everything what customer problem is. Yeah. So they have a different story in their mind. So if they can share their experience with the guys who are creating the infographics, this would be great. Then you will get this storytelling stuff. Yeah.
Okay. Let me translate that. ¿Escucharon? Le preguntaba si deberíamos hacer todos o debería ser una sola persona, deberíamos postear estos infografías como él lo hace desde una sola página, porque si yo lo hago solo para Microfocus. Yo dije si cada uno de nosotros lo vamos a hacer, y esa es la tarea, sí lo vamos a hacer. Cada uno vamos a ir posteando y vamos a darle likes para hacerle un cierto. Vamos a hacer, es la forma de aprender, no hay otra forma. Lo que él dice sugiere que seamos dos, pero por el momento vamos a ser todos hasta aprender. Ya después que va a una sola. Ahora lo que dice es, y si escucharon Daniela y Alex, son quienes están en el lado del cliente y quienes entienden más el dolor. Y son los llamados a traer las historias a vida. Entonces eso deberíamos pensar en cómo hacerlo. Sí, eso no quiere decir que ustedes hicieron una cosa, sí, vamos a hacer todos como equipo. Pero ustedes son los llamados y sabes que este es el dolor. Yo ya sé el dolor. Y lo podría hacer, eso es importante que todos nos empapemos y ya, después que yo cuento el dolor, ¿no? Pero es que, güey, ¿qué digo? ¿Dolor? Entonces, no, ustedes tienen que apoderarse del dolor del cliente, de esa tal suerte que ya sabemos que eso sucede no solo en ese, sino en todos, y eso transformarlo en información. Okay, great.
Cool. So then let's summarize. You will get the license first. Yeah.
That's correct.
Then I will share the Dropbox links with you. So I will put this on Dropbox, or I should have it already on Dropbox. Let me check quickly. And I will send this link via WhatsApp to you. Let me quickly check. The name is infographic. I have it here.
Yeah, that was a tough event.
Yeah, I have it. So it's a 1 week old, but I think this is enough. It has more than 600 slides, so around, I guess it's more than 200 graphics.
Okay.
Yeah. So it will, or 300. So it will take your time to translate it every time to Espanol.
Okay.
And once you do it, let's do it like this, Diego. Maybe you can share a WhatsApp group, or you can create a WhatsApp group. Whenever you post something post it also in this WhatsApp group, and I will like your link because I think I have many followers, so they can see that I like something. Yeah?
Okay.
Even if it's in a different language, they will see, and maybe in my network there are people who speak Spanish, so they will see it.
Okay, so you want me to create a WhatsApp group with you guys, with you and the team? That's what you said?
So everyone who posts, if you post on LinkedIn, then you just post me. We don't have a WhatsApp group, but I need the link.
Okay.
I need the link of the post so I can share it in my network. Yeah.
Okay. So,
And I think this is also, you guys speak the same Spanish like the people in Spain,
yes.
or is it different?
No, it's the same. The same thing.
1-to-1?
1-to-1.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Because then we can, I think the micro focus Spanish people will be very surprised and really happy if they see now infographics coming in their language.
That's correct. That's what we want to do. That's the deal.
Yeah, perfect, great. Cool, Diego, then it's up to you.
Okay, that's perfect. So let me tell you something. Obviously, that's your art, that's your storytelling, and it's fair that we can share in LinkedIn with your name. So you are the artist, and we are translating. I think that will be fair.
If you want, but you don't have to do it. It really, I appreciate it. But make sure that your company has the right name. You represent. You are people. I can see you people. You're expert in different areas, and I think Saga is a company who is really supporting microphones to make sure that your team and your company comes first, and the rest is between us. Yeah?
Okay, thank you so much.
Cool.
I appreciate. What do you think about? You can show us that demo ALM Octane, because believe me, we are selling ALM Octane to our customers, but it's something like we are not prepared for that.
I can teach you this. So I can show you a demo. Maybe let me check my calendar. Because I am on vacation from the 17th of April till 10th of May. Yeah. So if you want to have a meeting next week, let me see.
That would be great. Friday?
Next week, Friday could work. Yeah, Friday could work.
Okay.
Maybe from, 1 second, let me check the week after. 1 second, sorry. It's the 12th, no, okay, this will not work. Monday does not work for you, right?
Monday.
Not the coming Monday, the 8th of April. The 8th.
Just let me check, double check, please. What time is good for me? The same time, 8 in Ecuador, 14 in Austria?
In Switzerland, yeah.
Switzerland, yeah.
Yeah, this will work 2 hours. Then I can show you the presentation, the demo, and we can discuss it.
Okay, that would be great for us.
Perfect. Then let's align on this. We do the demo on the 8th of April. Yeah?
That would be great.
And let's see if we can meet, bi-weekly or monthly, one time. It's up to you how often you can do it. Yeah.
That would be great. The faster is better, because we are in a hurry. Our customer wants to buy ALM Octane, and believe me, I think we are not really prepared. We are not really prepared for doing that, and the faster is better.
Okay. Perfect. So then let's do it in Monday in a week. So not the coming Monday, but the week after.
Okay.
We do a session, and if you have any question, yeah,
Okay.
even your team, so they can forward it to you. You can translate it to me in English,
Okay.
and send it me via email. Yeah.
That would be great. I will do that.
And we are anyway connected, Diego, on WhatsApp. So if there's something, let me know. Yeah.
Great, great. We appreciate your time. We appreciate your knowledge. We appreciate every single.
Yeah, I appreciate your time and your effort, because I'm only one guy sitting here. You are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people sitting there and want to learn something. So this is also really incredible. And you don't have many people who are interested and who take the time to do something like you guys are doing. Yeah?
Okay, thank you. And there is more people, but the people is not here. Is in Mexico, but we will have more people, because we are really interested in DevOps and ALM Obtain and in everything we can do for our country and maybe for the Americas, for the world.
Cool, perfect, great. Then looking forward to work with you, Diego and team. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice to meet you guys all. Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Bye. Nice to
Then
meet you.
bye. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye bye.
Ahorita está ahí todavía, ¿no? Bueno, de hecho, pues, ahí está, está bien.
Sí.